Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening as per your time zone. I Aparnika Sahu welcome you all again to my channel Dance with Aparnika. Today we will learn the second part of Teermanam 2 and the bowl is Tadi Gi Na Tom. In this step we have to tap our foot in the count number 1. After this we'll add Gi Na Tom. Same will follow from the left side. 1 1 2 3 1 1 2 3 with the bowl Tadi Gi Na Tom, Tadi Gi Na Tom. The hand will remain here with 3 pataka hast in the count number 1, and also there is a very slight jerk in the count number 1 1. After this we will follow the same sequence of Gi Na Tom which we did in part 1. Tadi Gi Na Tom, 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 Tadi Gi Na Tom. Tadi Gi Na Tom, 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 Tadi Gi Na Tom. So this is the second part of Teermanam Adavu 2, and if you missed Teermanam Adavu 1 and the first part of Teermanam Adavu 2, so you can check it in my description box. See you soon in my next video. Take care, bye bye, and thank you for watching.